Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, I had some mail and it came from the States, but it was mailed in Canada. It had a different route because they are seeds, and their seeds are their survival seeds 2024, and it is a collaboration. It's the Vineyard Chicks, and they're just wonderful, wonderful girls, and they're homeschooled. And I want to say that if I was their teacher, I'd be giving them an A+ for this brochure that they've sent. They have described all the survival seeds that they have sent me. Just beautiful, just beautiful. The Walla Walla onion, the Italian pepperoncini, the Mariano tomato, the Waltham butternut squash, Detroit supreme beet, and the kidney bean. And everybody that's in this challenge, they've sent the seeds, and we're to plant them and save the seeds, and that's how it goes. Like, it just keeps going and going and going. And if anything ever happens, you can't get seeds, you've got your own seeds to survive on. Now, this collaboration, there is the Vineyard Chicks and Bushcraft Family. He's doing it's still survival seeds, but it is the medicinal herbs and stuff. And I haven't got those seeds yet. I had to order them. Lemon balm, feverfew, oregano, and hyssop. So I can't wait to get those. And all of these seeds that they sent, you don't actually have to put in the ground. You could put them in a container so that anywhere, anybody can grow these. So anywhere, anywhere. So there is the Vineyard Chicks, Bushcraft Family, and Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa. They're running the giveaway part of this awesome collaboration. And I just can't wait to get spring so that I can start. Like the tomato, I think April 17th is the earliest that I can start them inside. So it'll be a while before I can do my starts here. The Walla Walla onion, it is a long day onion, which is perfect for up here in zone 2B, as we are in long day zone. But I've never planted onions before by seed. I always do the little sets. So we shall see how this goes. But I'm all excited about this. Can't wait to see everyone's videos. And hashtag Survival Seeds 2024.